What's going on, good people? It's Arsenio once again. You already know. YouTube channel Drive and Thrive. President of ZAG Logistics, where we haul freight across the 48. Well, out here in Effingham, Illinois, finally got the day done. It was a long. Out here in Effingham, Illinois, finally got the day done. It was a long one, so I had to drive the whole 11, use up all my 14 hours, but hey, we made it. Finally made it. Got a good spot. It's pretty. Lot more spots here. That's the main thing, man. That's why I try to leave early. I got up at 3 o'clock this morning just to make sure I have a parking spot for the night. Gotta leave early if you want to get that parking spot. But shit, hey, that's enough about that. All right, had something happen today. Whew. All right, anyway, man. All right, guys, got some news for you. All right, so had to go into a dock today. Had to alley dock into a real small dock. I made it, but somebody didn't. Yep, as you can see, the mud flap is gone. Completely torn off. Gotta get a new one. It's a TA across the street, so I'm gonna go and see if they can put it on either tonight or tomorrow. Don't really matter, as long as it get done. But I say that to say this: always gotta be careful of your surroundings. Got to. Even though, hey, all places don't have specific parking for trucks. They have a dock for you, but sometimes it's too small. Sometimes only like them little box trucks can fit in. And it was one of those. Hey, so it's gonna cost me about, I'd say about $60, $80, because I gotta get 2 of them. Because I don't want to come out here with matching mud flaps. A little tacky to me, man. I don't like that. Anywho, man, hey, it's part of the business. Gotta spend money while you're making it. Other than that, man, everything was good. Got through the Chicago traffic. That was crazy, of course. Seen a convoy today. My very first one in Indiana. That was crazy. A lot of trucks. I'll probably post a video on that later. But other than that, I hope y'all have a great night. I'm about to go in here and get something to eat. Probably either get some Panera bread or some Chipotle. I don't know. I haven't figured it out yet. But hey, like I said, y'all have a great night. Hope y'all had a great day today. And I will see y'all soon. I'm out.